I almost blew my mind trying to make you love me. But you did all you could to prove you didn't need me. You don't have to say you love me, 'cause you know, my dear, that it's not true. I know the guy won't want you, but you know what I feel is true. I've tried and tried and tried again to dominate your heart, but you stripped me all of my manly pride. Then you see it and you locked your heart. You don't have to keep me around, 'cause I know I'm just a fool-hearted clown. Don't let me be a pain to you. I guess your love I'll have to lose. You don't have to keep me around, 'cause I know I'm just a fool.